How to change the engine air filter on a 2023 and later Fiat 500. It's very easy. I've already got the hood or the bonnet popped open here, and we're gonna find our air filter right in here. If you just need to get a new air filter. If you need a new air filter, I'll put a link down below to where you can get one. And the only thing else you're gonna need is just a Phillips head screwdriver, and you'll see there is a screw here, a screw here, and a screw here. So we're gonna pull these three out. Just unscrew these three screws. Now, once you've removed these three screws, you can just flip this lid up just like this. We don't even need to take it all the way out. We can just flip the lid up, and this will show us our air filter here. And our air filter is clipped in here, and there's the same clip in the back here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach in and just depress those two clips down. And when we do that, we can go ahead and just pop the filter out. Now, all we need to do from here is just put our new filter in, and we're gonna have these clips. These clips here, they're gonna clip in just like that. You'll see these clips here. So you should kind of press them down, and you should feel it kind of re-clip in. And once we do that, we're just going to take our three screws and screw them back in, and we'll be done. So I finished putting all the screws back on, and I'm all done. So if this video helped you, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe for more short tutorials like this on this car and others.